Hello to all my friends, I found a new meta weapon for long range in the game which I will make for you to enjoy. The bass speed conversion kit will reduce its fire rate in ADS mode, instead it will give you a terrible range of damage to your weapon so that you can knock down your enemy with 3 shots in the body and 2 shots in the head or neck. First, let's see a gameplay together to find out if it is worth using and leveling up or not. I tested this gun and its conversion kit with many optics, and I noticed that it has a problem with the accuracy of the shot and the rotation of the target center during shooting. For the muzzle part, I recommend Cause brake attachment because it reduces the horizontal recoil and increases the stability of aiming in shooting mode. For the barrel, we choose Burrow and Venom long barrel for increasing the range and speed of the bullet and helping the stability of the gun. You have 2 choices for ammunition, either armor piercing or high grade round, which increases the power of your weapons. The choice of optics is up to you, whichever is more convenient for you. And you can also use contact laser. I will try to make better videos for you. If there is any problem in the video, be sure to comment to me.
Helo is in position. Bag is set for deposit. Supply chopper inbound. Rare cargo is on board. Cargo secure. Bird is exiting the AO. Cargo is safe. Exfil is returning to base. Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active.
الأول
LMG round
دور
here.
في هذا في الرجال جراح